Buenos dias, mi amigos, mi amigas. Tayo po'y gumawa ng homemade carbonara. So nilagyan lang po natin ng white sauce yung ating pasta. I use cooking cream of Almaray, beef mince, Parmesan cheese, and a full cream milk. So yan lang po yung ating ingredients. Pero napakasarap po ng lasa ng ating carbonara. And then, I just spread the crunchy beef mince para mas lalong malasa yung ating carbonara at pampaganda na rin ng itsura ng ating carbonara. So ayan na po, mekus-mekus lang ng carbonara. And then, you spread also the Parmesan cheese, sour toppings. You can add more if you want to have more taste and more salty taste. So here's our carbonara.